Welcome to my hometown, Samut Prakan. This province is known for its agricultural activities, including rice farming and fishing. It is a neighboring province of Bangkok, and it lies at the mouth of the Chao Phraya River, which is also the Gulf of Thailand, and serves as a lower port of Bangkok. It also has a beautiful temple surrounded by a mangrove farm. Thailand is a Buddhist country, so you will see lots and lots of temples in different shapes and forms, as well as colors. This is where I spent most of my life living. I attended university here as well, Assumption University of Thailand, which is Thailand's first private international university. From Bangkok, Samut Prakan is also on the way to another very popular city, which is Pattaya, where a lot of tourists go for the beach and nightlife. Samut Prakan is also home to Thailand's biggest international airport, which is Suvarnabhumi Airport. So most likely, if you come to Thailand, you will land in Samut Prakan first and not Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed this little trip around my hometown. Thank you for watching!